Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Weekly Howl.
The Weekly Howl, it's over now. That sucked.
Screw what people think. I am your host, Edge, at Channel Edge 209, and I'm here with your hostess, Black Chepa.
Yes, thank you. Hold your applause, please.
Oh, yeah, but you said I'm sorry. Hold your paws, please.
Yes, there we go.
Okay, yeah, my paws are to myself. And today, and hopefully on this series, we are going to be reviewing and commenting on your videos. Primarily your Caniname videos. And what is Caniname, you might ask? Well, it's not exactly an official term, but it's a term that I'm coining for animal animations and wolf or dog canine anime. Sound good? Yes. So on the Edge 209 channel, you have a hashtag Caniname playlist that is contributable, and you can add yours or you can add someone else's that you really like. The theme of it is to add wolf animations or otherwise canine anime that you find awesome, entertaining, or amazing. So, and in this episode we're going to commentate on that anime. So, let's start with our first runner-up. A very awesome and well-done series is Wolves of the Mist! Yay! We're gonna watch part 1, probably part 1 through part 3, or we'll do it in segments, probably do this episode in different segments. Okay. This episode is about 13 minutes and 30 seconds long, and it is made by Jazsmanjs. Jazsmanjs. And
yes.
Black, you know a little bit about Jazsmanjs, so why don't you comment on that part?
First time I watched this, I think I watched the beginning part, but it looks pretty updated. Like, that logo is new and stuff. When I first saw it, I was amazed. It's really well done. I think she did it by herself, as far as I know.
Really?
I think so, yeah.
Wow.
It's very well done. The anatomy is great, sound is great, and also I really like the music that she chose for it. I'm not sure if I think one or two are from other movies, but other than that, you know, it's all cool.
Wow.
It's definitely worth watching. So.
Oh yeah, for sure. So I guess she animated all by herself. She had people, I guess, maybe compose the music for her. Which I kind of noticed too, the music matched the animation really well.
But it looks like she redid it, so I don't know if she redid her music, but
maybe
it looks brand new.
It looks awesome. You can find her at Egyptian Sky Studio on Deviant. So that's
which I am a subber, by the way.
Yes, I need to go sub to her DeviantArt. Sounds like really awesome. This GYPTIAN Sky Studio.deviantart.com. So go give her a follow on DA, and here we go. You ready? We're gonna start this.
Yep.
Episode?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Oh crap!
No, okay, you need to play at the
beginning. Let me try at the beginning. All right, cool. So we got a little introduction to the logo here. Warning.
Oh, good. She got a copyright. That's really good job.
Looks so damn official. Yay.
Let's get that back off, people.
Yeah, no copying this stuff.
No stealing.
Her logo is so cool. I find a lot of inspiration in that logo. I like this logo a lot.
I like it already.
Yeah. It's kind of like her own pitch of like a Marvel.
Oh.
That's cool. Like a Marvel type thing.
What
time is it? It's canine time! Yeah!
We love the artwork.
Wow. See?
When I was a pup, I was rocked to sleep with stories of our great and noble heritage. Before the creation of the Dog Guard Alliance, our world, the spiritual world, was ruled by two queens. One queen empress gave life to the living things. Without her, nothing lived. The other queen was Empress, who creates form. Without her, there was nothing to give life to.
Voice acted
Both
in the beginning. It was mostly subtitles.
Really?
Balance in our spiritual
well, her
world.
voice actors are beautiful too.
Two guardians were created from the queens to keep balance.
Yeah.
One ancestor, Ania, the one
the
who
art
judges.
is so sick.
Amir, the one who punishes. Time went by, and corruption between the two queens grew. both began to turn on each other.
I find that
The fight
a
began
good
to
story,
tear the spiritual world apart.
real like this,
Hearing the
requires
cries of the
various
animals,
voice actors.
The true guardians sacrificed their lives to stop
You'll notice
and
that the
seal
voice actors
creeds
don't
in
really sound the
cycle of
same.
reincarnation.
No.
Years after the fight, the creatures, however, were still in despair. Negative energy mixed with that of the queens gave birth to a new creature called the Ace.
The Ace, that's
It
right.
went around infecting many.
Wasn't there an animation called
Taking
like
after their ancestors, the leader of the wolves,
Spades,
and the leader of
Diamonds,
the
Hearts?
dogs, formed the first
Yeah,
alliance
but
Do you remember
that was
that?
a different one.
and forever
I
held on
can't
the
find
Aces.
that one. I'll have to look again.
But
Let's take it back.
unfortunately,
That was way back
history
in my day.
repeats itself. One serious
Oh,
Oh!
cool! I like your voice, dude.
caused the
Sounds
fall
Wherever you are.
awesome.
between the wolves and the dogs. The traitorous wolves were forever banished from my lands. I, Burlington, king of the royal
Burlington?
That's
dogs,
right,
deemed
it's the
them
king.
too unworthy and too unpredictable like the mist itself. And they were renamed the Wolves of the Mist.
Woo!
Very nice.
Yeah,
Very nice.
right. Yeah, yeah.
Let's do
Best
this.
ever. Yeah. See, a good project requires
Yay.
collaboration. Really,
This is nice.
it looks beauty, eh? And the music, sexy. Where the hell did she get her music? How did others compose this?
She's probably got ties with people.
Yeah, that's about that
Right,
network, for
Jasmine?
sure.
Probably.
Prob bop. Look at that art.
Woohoo! Red pandas. Go red pandas.
Yeah! I thought it was a fox at first.
Nah.
I stand corrected.
No, you sit correct.
No, you are sitting corrected.
You're sitting corrected.
Sit up straight. Get it right. Yeah! Look at this. These creatures are cool. I like this.
All made up.
All made up!
Yeah. Sprogy is like, I would kill you.
You stupid kid.
Them kids.
There's a part in here that I don't understand, and you all will see this. Maybe it'll make sense later in the series, but
Wait,
something
no.
happens.
Akira, are you okay? You've been there for a while.
Princess?
Akira, you know I hate being called that. We're like sisters.
Sorry.
Beauty, eh?
So, what's wrong?
Oh, it's nothing.
I hate those close-ups. I
Hey.
hate them.
Hey, be
They're
nice.
everywhere.
Be
I'm
nice.
sorry. Hey, we're here to critique. That looked like it hurt.
Ow.
Angel, you bastard! You're under arrest by the order of the king himself.
Aw, look. The loser lapdog thinks he's so big.
Really cocky.
Bring me his head!
Yeah.
Yeah. No. Cool.
Taking out the sword. That sword's awesome, by the way.
Yeah, it is.
It's got a chain. Ow.
I wonder if she's got like animation experience from somewhere.
Probably.
Like, you think she went to the Cal Arts?
Ouch, ouch, ouch. That makes me cringe every time.
What? That?
Every time I see that. Not in a good way. In a good way.
In a good way?
You know, violence.
Violence in a good way?
And they're human.
This!
And they're why are they human?
Why are they human?
Because I think they have the ability to turn human.
I think it was just some sort of like, get this right, because like, maybe it's a certain realm type thing, like alternate reality.
Maybe we'll learn something later. Let's see.
Maybe. See, where she learned those like shots and
I don't
scenes? Like, she must have done this before.
Genga Densetsu? I don't know.
Oh, good series. Good series to review, by the way. Future reference. Woohoo! Whee!
Ah, he's got lightning fang.
Yeah!
Oh, I think he like cuts off his head or something.
Wrong
I
head!
remember.
You're supposed to bring me his head, not your own!
I was right. Yeah.
Beauty, eh?
He's like, oh my gosh!
Nasty! Beauty, eh?
They're like, oh, you're going down. You're gonna pay. There'll be hell to pay.
Oh, whatever hell, yeah! For sure. Yeah. Why are they in a city though? It's just that didn't get explained yet.
Because they're in a kingdom. That wasn't the leader. Not the leader.
Anything right! Don't attack him from the front!
Yeah, assassin dogs. Don't attack him from the front. Talking from all kinds of directions.
Ah, the front, back, ah!
You got a sword. Watch out for the sword. You gotta watch out for the sword.
Grr. You just
faded.
fade.
Oh, that's new.
Don't do that!
It's getting
Sir,
targeted.
sir, we must retreat.
This guy.
We're dropping by the second.
Fine! Retreat, you coward! But don't ever let me see your face around here again!
He's got nubbins!
He took it well. He took it well. Hello.
Hello. Stop!
How far do you think you're gonna get?
Pretty far.
I'm sorry. All I can hear is, hit me, Angel, please. Attack me.
She could probably get better on the sound though.
Yeah, there was no music on that old one. Until this happened. Whoa.
That's cool!
So what did he have? Like gravity?
I don't know. No, it's probably just going Super Saiyan.
Super Saiyan pup.
Super Dog Saiyan. That's nice. That's nice. That's yeah.
Woo!
Woo!
Look at that, man.
Yeah! Slice him
Go,
in
go,
half.
go.
Go, go. Yeah.
Saiyajin dogs. What? No, Japanese. Saiyan. Saiyajin.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't get to that part.
Yeah, nerd.
Whispers from the shadow. No.
Oh, is that the end?
Is that the end? Wait.
Oh, no,
that's
it's
not
not
the
the
end.
end.
Stay tuned.
Next. It's bright and
Beauty colors, eh?
day. Is it? More red pandas!
And we're like 1 year old.
Oh, there's the princess. She's chasing me.
Have fun. Oh!
That hurt. Aww.
They're cute.
She's like, you're going down. Where are you? Now we're playing whack-a-mole. No, whack-a-panda.
But wait, they're just kids. Like, is she actually expecting to invite them?
Kid, she's a kid. She's a little princess. There's her guardian.
Well, it makes her seem larger than she actually is. The shots. That's cute.
Back here, you little.
Dude, Jazzy probably seriously has got animating skills from something.
Rosalie, are you okay?
She's probably doing this for a long time.
Huh?
Cute.
Don't mention that, okay?
Come on,
Oh,
let's
I'm
go.
definitely mentioning
I
it.
gotta get
Oh
you
yeah,
back
it's
to
all
the
over my
house
Facebook
before
like right
nightfall.
now. But tweet this.
I don't wanna. Nothing but rules and walls.
Rules and walls?
Boring.
Rules and
But
rules.
not you, right? You get to battle
rules and
and
walls.
see the world.
It's not all it's cracked to be. I wish it were that fun.
Don't disappoint the princess. She just wants to go out like you.
Meep. Wow, that grass is real crunchy.
Crunchy grass.
Crunchy grass.
Must be from Kentucky. Okay,
Kentucky fried
okay.
grass.
If you want, I could show you some moves.
Thank you! Thank you! Oh, you're the best! You're the best, my bestest friend in the world, bestest buddy!
Hey, stop that.
Uh-oh. Assassin. Get back.
Something.
Look at that intense glare.
It's so intense. I think I just
Died.
died a little inside. Cool.
Scan the area.
I guess those are her
Yeah, like side
side,
henchmen.
yes,
Yeah.
guards that are under her.
Hounds.
That's right.
Come on, Akira!
Banging.
Come on, Akira!
Ooh, don't pull on her tail. She's like, okay, fine.
Leah, I have some news. Look, there's no easy way to say this.
Is that a cat?
It is, dude.
It's how He didn't make it.
Oh no. Who didn't make it?
Etap? Etap what?
Was that the general?
At least he died, with pride, as a general of the Dog Guard Alliance.
Aye.
He commanded his fleet with honor, no fear. He will always be remembered by loved ones and friends as one of the best generals this
That's a lot
land,
of characters.
That's awesome.
no, this world has ever seen. And with that, let his soul rest.
To every dog is a cat.
Apparently.
Probably. I don't know the story.
Woohoo! Guard dogs, Great Danes, and...
Cute!
Wait, what are those?
Little tiny poofy ones. Pomeranians. Pomegranates.
No, those are Pomeranians.
That was the last of Lion
Love this
Clan.
guy.
There's the king.
Love the
The
king.
Lion Clan is brave and strong. I've never heard of them ever losing a fight in this region. Them going down so easily? Scary. But it's not just them. Now it's a lot of clans dying off. It's just not natural. What's going on?
I don't know. But there is, however, a coincidence, a pattern. Before every clan was killed, this black wolf carrying a sword would appear.
Angel.
That's him! That's him! That's who killed General Ito!
Oh, why are they looking at him with disdain?
Silence!
I don't know.
Are you sure?
Positive, sire.
Dogs, prepare yourselves. I fear our time is near.
Oh, are we done?
Is that it?
Yep.
Nice!
All right.
Yeah!
Pause it.
Part
Pause it.
one!
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. So, okay, afterthoughts of the first part?
It was good. I liked all the new stuff that was put in.
Oh yeah, the beginning, the
Right.
opening.
Well,
That's a great opening.
There were new stuff throughout the whole thing. I see that the voices haven't changed. That's pretty cool. Because I like the original voices.
Yeah, it's good.
Some people do voiceovers, but apparently she didn't. So, I liked it. It's enough to keep me entertained. It's enough to make me want to go to part 2, because it's like, oh no, what happens? You know, are they gonna find the dude who killed the general?
Did it like fade out or did it stop abruptly?
It faded out.
Oh, okay, good. All right, yeah, that's a hook right
Sorry,
there.
you can tell how much we're paying attention.
I just have a dumb memory. Okay,
You were writing down something. Okay?
I was just
Stop writing stuff when you're watching a movie.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
We'll do this from now on.
So,
I'll be watching.
I gotta say that this video is gonna definitely set like the ground for reviews. Like if anything, like this video has got to be the best out of all of them I've seen so far.
Probably, yeah.
And so,
I mean, it's the best I've seen as far as somebody who's done it by themselves. You know, independent.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously you had help, but
yeah. Yeah, it was really good. I wonder if she like drew frame by frame and scene by scene, like on the Photoshop or something.
Maybe.
And
If you did it on Photoshop, that's even better.
Kudos to you, man.
Wow.
That's awesome.
Photoshop is hard.
Photoshop is complicated,
It's
but
really hard.
it's still a good program. Anyways, so like I give this video like good old 5 out of 5.
Yes.
I mean, maybe I'll leave it. Maybe I'll do 4 out of 5 for, leave room for like that perfect video. So maybe like 4.5 out of 5 or something. But that was a good video. This is gonna be a good series. As far as story, it's a great story to begin with. Although there was like some sort of like stuff that's missing that didn't get tell off. But we're only on the first part, so but at first I was like, why are they in the city and why did they turn to humans there for that 1 second? They only turned from humans that 1 second, but
it's only the first part, so we're not going to jump to conclusions.
Right. So like I said though, like it probably to see like the full story, probably check out our Deviant art.
Check in the description below.
Yeah.
Always check in the description below.
Check out the movie and check out the description always, and like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to her.
Yeah,
Jazsmanjs JS.
Go to her original channel. Give her a thumbs
Channel
up.
will be put in the description below.
Like
so
and
check it
subscribe.
out. Like and subscribe her. She's
Yes.
good. And watch the series. And like and subscribe this channel if you like the video, and if you want to see more videos like this, and if you want to keep in touch and updated on new videos like this or like others on the channel. Check out some other great content on the Edge 209 channel. And yeah, I think that's it. But more to come for sure.
Hasta la vista.
Yeah, thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you on the next one.
Stops here, this is where I get rid of all my fears. Step back, no turning back, crack down.